Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your App Store application, then at the bottom right click on the search icon, then click on the search bar and type TikTok here. Then you need to click on the TikTok application and see if you have new updates available. So if you have, you need to download them. So after downloading the last version of this application, you need to go to your TikTok application. Here it is. Then at the bottom right corner you need to click on your profile icon right up here. Then at the top right click on the three lines, then settings and privacy. And then here you will see different options. You need to scroll down a little bit, and then in content and display section you need to click on the notifications option. Here it is. Then you need to scroll down and find personalized post suggestions section, and then you need to disable all these three options: post from people you may know, reposted by others, and post you might like. So after that you can go back to your home page, and after that these options will be disabled. So and that's all, and that's how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.